Welcome back. Today I'm going to be teaching you how to clean greasy Venetian blinds. These are kitchen blinds. They're always harder to clean because they have like a greasy, sticky film on them. You'll need some dishwasher tabs and a horsehair brush attachment for your vacuum, a cloth, and a bucket of nice hot water. Get a bucket and fill it up with a gallon of hot water and then add one dishwasher tab and make sure it fully dissolves. You might need to mix it around so that it dissolves. Using a dishwasher tab instead of Tide is going to help cut the grease that's often found on kitchen blinds. So usually in the kitchen, it's very greasy air and then it kind of lands on your blinds and then the dust and the hair and the dirt and everything sticks to it. So if you're in the bedroom or the bathroom, you could just use our Tide and hot water recipe. Tide does have a degreaser in it, but it's not super heavy duty, whereas a dishwasher tab does have a heavy duty degreaser in it. Before you start doing any wet wiping, we want to vacuum off the blinds, even though it's kind of a stickier, greasier dust here, but we want to get up any loose bits or particles that we can so we're not making a mess when we're wiping. So vacuum that all away, and then, we always vacuum everything first at Gocleanco. So don't forget the very top section above the actual blinds because dust loves to hide up there, and if you don't vacuum before cleaning it, it's just going to fall down and mess with the blinds below it. I also recommend removing the blind wand to get it out of the way while you wipe so you aren't hitting it all the time. Don't forget to wipe it off too because they're always filthy. Now, starting at the very top, pinch each blind with a cloth and wipe it very, very well. You want to make sure that both the top and the bottom of each one is getting cleaned. These blinds were very greasy even though they didn't look it to the naked eye. You might have to go over the area more than once because you're going to wipe and then you're going to create a white mark and then you're going to move back and then some of that greasy dirt is going to come. It gets annoying, but blinds is definitely an arm workout. So make sure that you give yourself the time and that you have some patience to work on this because honestly, this is this is just one of our most hated jobs because you wipe them and you flip them and they're dirty on the other side, even though you think that they were clean, and then you walk away and then the light changes. Anyways, but this is our best and easiest method to do it. You can take them off if you want and clean them in the bathtub, again, with a dishwasher pod if you wanted to and let them soak, but blinds also break very, very easily if you look at them. So this is just the easiest, simplest method that we have figured out how to do it on our own. Those blinds didn't even look that dirty from, the naked eye, but look how dirty this water is. It's just filthy. So it's a good idea to clean your blinds a couple times a year because the longer you wait in between them, the harder the job is going to be and the longer it's going to take you. If you're finding streaks on your blinds, as the light changes or anything like that, wipe them down with just warm water. But generally, I find the dishwasher pod method does not leave any streaks. If anything, those streaks are left over because your blinds are still greasy and you haven't cut it all the way down to the blind. You know what I mean? So anyways, that's how you clean up the Venetian blinds. They're a big pain in the butt, and I would never put these in my house.